Good morning everyone, welcome to my allotment. This is just a short video. It's Saturday 21st of April today, and it's about 8:15 in the morning. This is just the evidence I need to enter Nick from Nick's Allotment Diary YouTube channel's Sunflower Challenge. I'll put links to the various videos and things in the description below, so that you can have a look and see what I'm talking about. But Nick is running a challenge this year. I think it's for the tallest and the sunflower stem with the most heads, and I normally grow sunflowers, so I'm throwing my straw hat in the ring just to see what happens. This is the variety that I'm going to be growing. It's Johnson Seeds and it's Sunflower Titan, and it says huge colourful blooms full of pollen and nectar. So they're designed for bees, butterflies, hoverflies, things like that, and it says up to 3 meters tall, so I'm not sure whether they'll get that high because I'm quite late putting them in. Normally, I don't know what it says on here, but March to May, so we're kind of in the right ballpark, but we could have put them in a little bit earlier. But anyway, what I've done so far is just dibbed a few holes with the dibber, and I'm just going to drop 1 or 2 seeds in each hole. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 holes, and they're right in front of the shed, so I can keep an eye on them and enjoy them, and in pretty good full sun most of the time. So anyway, on with the sowing. Okay, so there you go, as you can see, and as I say, I'm going to put 1 in each hole for now and just see quite where we get to. Appreciate some of these will probably be out of frame, but you get the idea. Not very deep holes, as I say, just put in with the dibber, and then I'll just backfill them in a moment, probably with a bit of compost, and then give them a good water, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, I've got a few left. I'll probably put those in a pot at home just in case something happens to these. Most likely things that happen to these is they'll get nobbled by slugs, but normally I get some, so we shall see. So as I said, I'm just going to fill the holes in with a bit of just regular multi-purpose compost, I think it is. It's nothing special or no secret formula, much as I wish I could claim to have one. It's just regular compost, and then as I say, I'll water them in, and I'll do some updates throughout the season and see what happens. So there you go. Thanks for watching.